Hey, it's Big Jeff coming with another unboxing, and this is actually something different. It is related to car audio possibly, but not car audio. These are actually battery rechargeable big fans, and not like little batteries, like a battery pack. And the battery will also be able to charge USB devices, and it has LED on the front. So originally brought these in for Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands with hurricane season and lack of good power. Before we go forward, I'm Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, share this out, leave a comment at the end, and hit that bell so you know when we have future videos.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
So, first show we ever went to was made of steel. It was so hot. We brought a generator and we didn't have the right plug, so we couldn't get all the fans on. It was crazy. And I didn't have these back then, and I wish I did. There's two models. There's an 8212 and an 8210. One is a 10-inch fan, and one is a 12-inch that oscillates. Okay, charging time is about 8 to 12 hours, but high speed will run 2.5 hours, low speed 4 hours. Charging time is about 8 to 12 hours, but high speed will run 2.5 hours, low speed 4 hours. And if you need to just use this as an LED or charging, you can do it up to 30 hours. I'm gonna bust this thing out. This is the 8212. You get a regular wall plug with like a computer plug, but it's only a 2-prong, and that's all you need. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out, show you how big this thing is. Now I'm gonna leave the bag on because I turned the fan on and you can see it moving in that bag, no problem. This is not charged fully. This is right out of the box. This thing works really good. That was low and then high, and let me use the bag on the high to show you. It is definitely, fill that up. So let me explain this. You have DC mode, and then if you put it to AC mode, you plug it in the wall and let it charge itself. And then you also have down here LED lights. Now on the back of this, and let's switch over to the Big Jeff cam. Got the Big Jeff cam on. There we go. On the back here, that's where the 2-prong plugs into the wall. You have a USB out that will charge a device. And then there's an alternate 9-volt plug, which it doesn't come with, but you can purchase a 9-volt plug, but there's no need for it because you have a regular wall plug. And then on the bottom, we're going to keep the Big Jeff cam on. It actually has a battery pack, good size. This is cycle use 7.25 to 7.54 volts, standby 6.8, 6.9 volts, initial current less than 2 amps. So you're not talking about battery operated, you're talking about an actual battery pack that can be replaceable. And if you wanted to have a couple of these, you could. Let's go back to the Big Jeff cam. And you can see here, it's actually a battery pack. So you could actually order these and have a couple if you needed them. So let's think about hurricane season. Let's think about lights go out. Let's also think about car audio. It's super hot, you're sweating, and you wish you had a fan because you don't have a generator. This is what this will do. Pops in, get the Big Jeff cam back on. And then down here you see you have for LED lights. Okay, and then we can turn the lights off, put it to DC mode, and you have high and low. Let's go back to high. You can see this blows a lot of air, so it's like a normal fan. I think it's a really cool item that's right around $100, but this can be used for multiple things. So what I'm thinking is, again, just as an emergency device, there's the oscillating feature, so you can turn that on and it will actually oscillate, which is really cool, just with a switch on the back. For $100, You pay that for a regular fan, let alone one that isolate, and then also is chargeable. So low 4 hours on one charge is incredible. So we have these. The part number is an EL8212, made by Ludger. Very big with outside the US, but should be big inside the US because you could have this pre-charge, charge your devices, and also get some cooling air when it's super hot out. And then I think it's like 20 bucks cheaper. You can get the EL8210, which is a 10-inch, a little bit smaller and doesn't oscillate. We have these in stock. Oh, I'm being told the EL810 has a radio built in, which is kind of, I don't know if anybody would use it, but if you did, more app. You can take these, they're light, they can go with you to the park, the beach, car show, anywhere, and you have a very comfortable fan. Let me turn off isolating. And I'll tell you right now, it's very comfortable, very quiet. Okay, we have these on our website. I know it's not a car audio item, but car shows are hot. You're sitting there, and if you don't have power, this is a perfect way to keep cool. And also as an emergency device to charge your products, cell phones, tablets, whatever, and also keep cool at the same time. And you can pre-charge it. It has a nice size battery pack that'll last you about 4 hours. Check these out on our website. I know it's a weird item, but it's a cool item. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment. If you haven't done it already, subscribe. I am Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com with another cool product that we carry. Get yourself one, try it out. You can't go wrong. Everybody needs a fan. I'll see you on the next unboxing.